Assalamu alaikum. How are you everybody? Hope you are well. In this video I'm going to discuss about this mask making machine. This is actually the baby or child mask making machine. The baby mask is a little bit small in size, and the sealing roller is also a little bit small. So let me show you what is included in the project file. At first, here is the main project file. Here you can see the bill of materials, Excel format, and here is the step file of the machine, and here is the Solidworks file. There are some PDF file also there, so you can get the roller size, the cutting roller, and the gears measurement here. You can also get the 3D design file, which is Solidworks version. So this is the latest design 2020 model. So if I open this big file, I get this machine design here. So let me check first what is included in the part file, then I can confirm you there is no missing file. It looks good to me, there are no missing file. Let me show you different angle view first, then you get some basic idea about this cutting machine. This is for child mask making machine. This the machine design and architecture looks almost similar to the adult mask making machine, just some roller size sealing rollers, and the final output of this mask is different. So let me stop the animation and let me discuss about different part and working procedure of this mask making machine that can help you to produce this machine easily. Okay, so first of all, here you can see there are four roller for a material wheel. This is the material frame, and normally you need three layers. If you want to make 4 layers mask, you have the option by this machine. And here you can see the nose bar holder, and from here the nose bar goes inside. Okay, so I'm going to hide this part, and let me first hide the material parts. It is easy to make, and already know how to make the material rack. So here is the main part of this machine. Here you can see the tension clip of the fabrics. When material comes from the material rack, you need this kind of tension clip to make the alignment right. Okay, so you need this one. So if I hide this thing, there is another part which is used for making the folding. Okay, here you can see 3 folded. If I zoom in a little bit, then you can see this part is very important. There are two kinds of this kind of roller. One is for regular style 3 folded mask, and another one is middle folded mask, something like different style. So in that style, to get that style, you need to change this part and this part. Okay, so I'll show you later about that design. This design is regular style. So this part, then we will have the folding clip. Okay, here is folding clip. After coming from this roller, you need this part to make the alignment and make the folding perfect. Okay, so if I hide this thing, then there is another part. Here you can see there is another 2 tension clip. Those 2 tension clip is also very important to keep the alignment right. If I zoom in a little bit for your better view and better understanding. So here is the main control box. Many people use PLC system, many people use manual system, so it depends on you. Mainly there is another control box comes with the ultrasonic machine. So here is the ultrasonic machine, and you will get that control box which you need to put under the table. And normally in the right side of the table, if I zoom out, you can see there is another box. This is for ultrasonic. Okay, this control box is for ultrasonic machine. So ultrasonic machine get hot, so you need to keep a little bit far from this ultrasonic horn and ultrasonic machine. Okay, so if I come here you can see there are many rollers, and all of the rollers are connected by the chain. Okay, and this chain is connected with the motor, and this motor is moving all the gears. So if I rotate like this, in this area you can see many gears. Okay, so those all gears are interconnected. Here you can see all gears are interconnected, and if you move one gear by the motor, all gears move simultaneously. Okay, all gears move simultaneously. And if I hide one by one, then you can see if I hide the motor, there is a belt and connect by belt with the motor. Okay, the motor is 750 watt 18 or 20 rpm motor. You can also use speed controller to adjust the speed of the motor. Okay, there is a cooling fan, and to use this cooling fan with the ultrasonic machine, because ultrasonic machine get hot, so you need a cooling fan. And ultrasonic machine price varies on the configuration and the quality. I will suggest you go for best quality ultrasonic machine, because this is the most important part of the electronic. I will suggest you to use 15K ultrasonic 2600 watt. That will give you best sealing experience and the higher speed. If you go for 20K ultrasonic machine, that will reduce the working efficiency and the speed of the machine. Okay, so let me rotate again. Here you can see automatic nose bar injection system in the main sealing unit, and here is the main sealing unit, ultrasonic roller. And this ultrasonic roller is the most critical to make parts in this machine. You need to use DC53 materials to make this ultrasonic roller, and if you cannot make this, you have the option to buy from China. Please contact with me to buy this roller. So here is the roller, you can see the main sealing roller. Okay, and here is the nose bar injection system, and in the nose bar injection system, here is one left side folding clip, and here is the right side folding clip. After coming here, automatically get folded in two sides, and after coming here, gets sealed. Okay, here is nose bar injection system, and after cutting, this is the cutting. Here is a cutting blade, and every second it is cutting one nose bar, and by the panel it is going inside, it is injecting inside. Okay, so if I hide this nose bar unit, then we will have the main sealing unit, and the mechanism of this part is to adjust the cutting size. After getting inside, you no need to lose all the roller, because you have this part, and if you lose it or tight it, that will adjust the cutting blade, and you can get your perfect shape. Okay, just tuning this screw will adjust the size automatically. Okay, it is very easy to use. And here is the rubber roller, and this rubber roller is receiving fabrics from this side. There is the cutting blade, and this cutting blade is cutting the mask in every second. There is another rubber roller, it is also receiving the finished products from the main unit. And here is another important thing I need to discuss. Here you can see two screw. Okay, so this roller is the ultrasonic sealing roller. You must need these two screw in it, otherwise your ultrasonic won't work perfectly. Okay, if your ultrasonic roller push on the horn, ultrasonic horn, that might damage some parts, so you must need this little spring. It looks very little but very useful. Okay, you must need this spring. So you can see in every part they used spring, so you just need to remember you also need this spring. Okay, and if I hide all the part, okay, so the one part left, this is conveyor belt, and this conveyor belt is very useful. Electronically static part has been used here, and after using this part you can convert this machine to full automatic machine. You need this part to connect with other conveyor belt and the earlobe sealing unit, automatic earlobe sealing unit. So you must need this small part. Here you can see the motor, and here you can see the conveyor belt, and motor is moving the conveyor belt by these two pinion, and those two pinion connected each other, and those two are moving like this, and this part is making your first cutting unit of the machine to full automatic. Okay, so this part is also very important. So that's pretty much everything of this machine. And okay, so if I show all, you can see the full machine. So this is how you can make the machine. We will discuss about the second part, which is full automatic earlobe sealing. You need 100 to 120 piece of mask per minute. Okay, by single line earlobe sealing unit, you can get 100 piece mask per minute. Okay, that is a high speed model, so I will discuss later about that model. And stay connected by subscribing us, then you will get the notification once we uploaded the video. We will come back again.